Hey, so how do I get my money back from Helium 10? How to request a refund on Helium 10 membership, Helium 10 refund policy. In this video, we're going to talk about that. In the description, you're also going to find the best discounts for Helium 10 in case you need them, free trial, and over 200 tutorials, playlists that show you how to use different parts of Helium 10. So how to request a refund on Helium 10 membership. Let's say you have invested in Helium 10 and you're looking to request a refund. So it says here, Helium 10 offers an unconditional 7-day money-back guarantee that applies to an account's first charge and payment only. You will need to contact customer support to submit a refund request. Customer support will review your request, validate eligibility, and process the refund as needed. And if there are any unknown charges, as it says here, if you receive any unknown charges for a Helium 10 subscription, contact customer support to investigate and assist in resolving this for you. This will avoid any hassles of disputing charges. So the way to contact Helium 10 is going to be here on the right lower side. You can kind of talk to their support through this little chat window here. You click on that and you can talk to the guys, and you can do it from kind of within your account, I would recommend actually. Also in the screen here, you're going to have the playlist of Helium 10 tutorials. Also the best discounts for Helium 10 are in the description here, so you can save big, a free trial as well. And I hope it helps you to get a refund if you're looking to get that from Helium 10. And if you want to stop, so before doing that, consider why you'd like to do it. If you're having any problems, then check out the tutorials, talk to the support. I believe it's going to be well for you. Thank you for watching.